Okay, I'm going to do the tie rods here on a 04 G6. What I did was this is an 18 millimeter. It's not a castle nut, so I just backed it off, and now I'm going to try to free this up by taking a couple swacks at it. Let's see. That's loose. And so there we go. So now let's undo the tie rods. Okay, and we're going to count that out. Okay, so now I got the jam nut undone back here, and I'm going to try to count the number of revolutions to get this out. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, looks like 12, and you can tell by the old one, the rubber boot is shot. So this joint, oh, look at the plate. I actually got plate in here. Okay, so that's not a good thing. Alright, the new part is a Moog. That's really nice. It's got a grease fitting on it, which I really love. And let's see if we can get it back on here. Let's see. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's about 12 right there. Okay. 13. Okay. And I'm going to put that in here like so. Okay. And this one has a cotter pin on the bottom with a castle nut, so let's tighten that up. Alright, here's the castle nut. Let's put that in there. And then we're going to get that really nice and tight, and then we'll get the cotter pin in there. Alright, let's do it. We're going to line up the pinhole. There it is right there. There we go. I can get the pin in there and it should be good to go. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, let's see. There we go. And then I can get that torn down. Get the jam nut on. Do the other side again. Okay, always do stuff in pairs, and then put some grease in the fitting here, and then really that's about it. All right, I'm gonna bend that over. Let's get it done. Okay, everything's done. I got the cotter pin bent over. Everything's tight. I tightened up the adjustment nuts, and it's gonna have to go get alignment. Okay, there's no way around it. When you do a tie rod, you gotta do alignment. But that's it. Thank you.